Hello friends, I'm Zara from CVguys, and today, let's talk about AI's role in creative industries. Ladies and gentlemen, creators, and curious minds, welcome to the age of artificial intelligence, where machines are not just crunching numbers, but dabbling in poetry, painting, and even composing symphonies. The question on everyone's mind: will AI replace human creativity, or will it become our collaborator? Let's be honest. AI is like that overly enthusiastic intern who shows up with 100 ideas in 5 minutes. It's fast, efficient, and occasionally brilliant, but it lacks the soul of the artist. Sure, it can generate stunning visuals or write a gripping story, but can it capture heartbreak in a brushstroke or the joy of a melody born out of chaos? Not yet, and maybe never. Think of AI as your creative sidekick, a Robin to your Batman. It can help you brainstorm, prototype, and even surprise you with ideas you'd never consider. But here's the catch. AI thrives on patterns. It's a remix artist at best, pulling from what already exists. True human creativity? That's breaking the mold entirely, making something that doesn't just look good but feels profound. Now here's the real challenge for us humans. Are we ready to share the stage? Collaboration with AI means letting go of some control while keeping our unique spark alive. It's not about competing, it's about co-creating. So, will AI steal your job as an artist? Only if your art is predictable enough for an algorithm to mimic. But if you embrace your quirks, flaws, and intuition, the things machines can't replicate, you'll find yourself not replaced, but amplified. The future isn't AI versus humanity, it's humanity with AI. Let's make sure we're writing that story together, preferably with a touch of humor and a whole lot of heart. See you in the next video. Bye for now.